If you're wondering how to track competitor activity from the same tool you're already using, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that in under 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use your current tool more effectively to keep tabs on your competitors without jumping between different platforms. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's dive right into it. First, open the tool you're using and head over to the competitor analysis section. If you're using a software that offers this feature, you'll likely have a tab or section labeled something like Competitors or Market Insights. Now, once you're there, find the option to add competitors. You'll need to input their website or the keywords they rank for. Don't worry about the exact phrasing. The software will pull up competitors that match your input automatically. From there, you'll get a dashboard that shows you how your competitors are performing across different metrics. Look for key data like traffic trends, keyword rankings, backlink strategies, and even social media activity. The idea is to track what they're doing well and where you might have opportunities to outperform them. One important thing to pay attention to is their content strategy. You'll often find that your competitors are ranking for certain keywords that you're not. Use this insight to adjust your own content strategy, creating content that targets the same keywords or improves upon what your competitors are doing. The software will also give you a breakdown of their backlink profile. This is crucial for understanding how their website is gaining authority. You can then look for opportunities to gain backlinks from similar sites to improve your own ranking. Now, what's even better is that you can track all of this over time. Most tools will let you set up alerts or automated reports. This means you don't have to manually check every day. You can receive updates directly to your inbox, so you'll always know when your competitors are making moves. In case you're wondering, I've tested several tools for this purpose, and I'm recommending the software we're using today because it offers the best insights and is super easy to use. The great part? You can get an exclusive free trial for it if you're a viewer of my channel. The link is in the description below. Now, here's the key takeaway. You don't have to constantly switch between different platforms to track competitor activity. With the right software, you can monitor all of their activities. Keywords, backlinks, social media performance, and more, all from one tool. To quickly recap, make sure you add your competitors in your tool, track their keyword performance, monitor their backlinks, and set up automated alerts to stay updated. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below to start following along. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.